Let's go thrifting for wedding guest dresses. Before we get any further into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Grow Therapy for sponsoring. We're at a new thrift today, Value World. I'm filming 2 videos at once, so if you see me in this outfit, that's why. Starting at the first thrift, this is their formal dress section, or just more their maxi dresses. We started off poorly with this cute anthropology dress that was originally $119, and the store got it for free and was trying to sell it back to me for $30. Feel betrayed by this price and already upset. Moving on to the mini dresses, because I'm telling you, not one of those maxi dresses stood out to me. Why do all these materials just look cheap and feel horrible, and nothing looks fancy, even when it's supposed to be? Already blasted with the Shein right off the bat. I was feeling so hopeless. The wedding guest dresses, and honestly the dress section in general, is my least favorite at the thrift store. I do horribly at it, so I was going to make a point to go to 3 different thrifts today and look through every single dress they had. Moving over to the kids section at this thrift store, they had fancier dresses. That was Children's Place, but it was a size 14, which I think would fit me. I wasn't obsessed with the dress, but it did at least look fancy. I really didn't want a black dress, but I was giving them a chance. This dress was beautiful. If this was in my size, I would have gotten it. It's a children's 12, which would not have fit my armpits. And this was the only dress I found at this thrift store that was remotely decent, and it was doing nothing, so I decided to leave it. Before we get any further into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Grow Therapy for sponsoring. Grow Therapy is committed to making mental health care accessible, affordable, and personalized. The platform simplifies finding a therapist to fit your specific needs, empowering clients to take charge of their mental health journey. For me, the hardest part about therapy is starting therapy, finding the right person, a place that accepts your insurance, or even a schedule that works for you, whether you want it online, in person, whatever. Grow Therapy makes all those things simple. Platform is so user-friendly. You can find providers accepting new patients by state, filtering insurance, specialty, treatment methods, and more to ensure a more tailored fit. Grow's profiles are very extensive, so you can kind of figure out if you'll mesh with the provider before fully committing. Grow Therapy accepts a wide variety of insurances, including Medicaid from select states, which many competitors don't offer. Something else I really like is that Grow Therapy works from a pay per session. It's not a subscription service, no long-term commitments, and you can truly test out therapy or see how it works for you with no strings attached. To learn more about Grow Therapy, use the link in my description box or scan the QR code. Thank you again to Grow Therapy for sponsoring this video. On to thrift number 2, no even potential wedding guest dresses. They either weren't in my size or were like way too informal. We're at like a bit of a bougier one now. Not even the sense that it's like consignment, they're just more expensive here, but we'll see what they have, and then if not, I'm gonna check out a consignment store because I'm scared. And right away at this thrift, we're hit with those patterns again. Like, what is it about the dress section that screams thrift store? And it feels hopeless. I found this denim Ralph Lauren dress, new with tags, and I think this was originally like $100, and they priced it at $9.25, which like I can do with $9.25, but I didn't get it because I'm not looking for denim dresses. But if you're looking for this at the thrift store, like, it's there. Then we found this green. Now looking at it on camera, it looks like Fiona from Shrek. I desperately need a haircut, but I knew this wasn't large. Maybe it's a junior's large, and it's actually really pretty. Let me show you. I just wish it was a different color. The lighting sucks. Oh no. Like, it's pretty, and it looks like thrifted. Like, the beading's really pretty. I actually really like it. If it was like blue or purple, I would get it. But it feels a little wintry. I don't know, I actually might get it. It fits pretty well. I think it's a little big, but I could take it in. It looks like a 90s dress. I just don't know what I would do with my hair with it. My hair with it looks horrible. Am I getting this? For $6, I'm getting it. So I started driving to the curated place, and I was literally like, I don't even want to go. And then I passed the other thrift store. I don't want to give names because people are creepy, but I passed this other thrift that I've been to one time, and I'd rather try this, like a real thrift. Let's do it. Now we're home with the dress. I put on some little black strappy heels with it, and it's the perfect length on me, which makes things pretty easy. But is it too wintry? I don't know. I love like this mesh overlay of it. Again, I just wish it wasn't this deep green color. I wish it was a different color. That's what you get with thrifting. I think it fits really well for just being from the thrift store. If I could have like really curly hair and put it in a messy updo, that would be so cute, just to make it very 90s 2000s style, because this dress is definitely from like 2000s, I would guess. Not definitely, but it's definitely not new. I think I'll wear it if I'm in a pinch, but I wanted to show you guys the other dresses I just have. Let me know what you think I should wear in the comments. This next dress is also thrifted. It's actually my best friend Amanda's. It's got this like fuzzy top and it's a velvet floor length, so it feels definitely too wintry, but so cute. And I feel like the open toe shoes like help it feel a little bit more summery. I mean, it's a nighttime wedding, so I think black would be okay. Here's the next option. I need help zipping the back. Another black dress that I think is too wintry, and I don't love these shoes with it. I thought if I was going to wear this dress, I'd want it to be with like a closed toe pump, like a chunky heel pump, but I don't have any, and I really want these ones from Tory Burch, but I don't think that's gonna happen. The sandal, it just feels wrong. It's very mod. I think it looks so cute with my hair. It's got this bow in the back, and this is, I think, my choice. I don't find something else, but then I would have to find a shoe with it, because I don't like these shoes with it. Okay, I'm almost thinking this is my number one choice now. I feel like it's so bland and so basic. It is seriously just like a well-fitting little black dress. It was my mom's in the 90s, and it's pretty short, but so is the other one. But with my hair, it makes it feel more fun. I like it with the shoes, so I wouldn't have to get anything for this one. I could just do like pearl earrings and a clutch, and I'd be good to go. I like these shoes too because they're so comfortable, and this dress is really comfortable. I don't think it's anything like special, but I kind of couldn't care less. I don't know, I just like don't really love dressing up. I love casual wear more, so these things do pretty much nothing for me. And as soon as we get into my more summer dresses and like brighter colors, they immediately just feel daytime. This dress is my go-to baby shower, wedding shower, day wedding, hot weather dress. I've worn it so many times. Got it off Depop like 2018 maybe, and it's just a great go-to dress. It's not aggressive, it's not offensive, you just blend in and look cute. I paired it with these Dior heels, which like don't match, but I kind of like that. I don't want to wear black with them, but I have one more dress, but again, I just think it's gonna be too daytime. From Simple Retro, and I feel like the shoes are really saving it and making it look a bit more fancy and dressed up. But let me know, is this too dressed down for a summer night? I guess it's night. I have to look at the time again. It's not day. Wedding. Feels summery at least. Everything else felt winter. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to check out Grow Therapy and use the link in the description box, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.